What a day. And I'm glad you're here to share it with me. Fishy, do you see the vast world before you? This world, in all of its vast beauty, clock-like a fish himself, is utterly breathtaking. Yes, my marine, living, sea-breathing friend, one looks over such a wondrous landscape, charmed by a bright, gleaming sunrise, and can only think of one thing. How, in all of creation, if we should say creation is such a thing, which is quite silly, of course, did all of this get here by chance? When surveying a vast array of machine-like design, an intelligent man must come to only one conclusion. All of it is an accident.
Well, this is a little awkward.
Did you hear that?
You kidding? How could I miss it? Quiet, my children. Wait.
Yes, Fishy, I have scoured the earth far and wide in my studies, and the best reason for existence I have found is simply happenstance. For after all, random chance is the best way to approach most everything.
Yeah, right. Try swallowing the first random bozo to fall off a ship in a storm. Not fun.
This is more than I can handle. Sonny, you may want to correct him.
You got it.
Not yet, my son. Let's listen to what he has to say.
Oh, Fishy, your ability to breathe underwater is the most brilliant coincidence I have ever seen. Well, that and the way the dinosaurs all vanished at once, as if there was some cataclysmic event that wiped out most of the life on Earth. Certainly couldn't be a flood, no. Ha!
Okay, he just crossed a line.
That's it! I've had it with him.
Not yet. Just wait.
Fishy, it has taken many eons to gain the wisdom and intelligence to conclude that nobody made this universe, and nobody sustains it. For things have always created themselves, like buildings, automobiles, rocket ships, and what have you.
Let me at him. There's some dry ground way down there I could spit him out on.
Do you hear this guy? Why, I order...
Not quite, Gabe. Almost.
Oh, if only there was some intelligent mind behind the intricacies of the universe. But alas, man will never know.
Okay, now.
What are you talking about? He's right here!
You think you heard us? No way. His mind is elsewhere.
I do say, Fishy, did you hear something? I'm not quite sure. One thing is for certain. My ears feel quite itchy. Oh, you gotta be kidding me!